Real life English conversation practice. Questions and answers about daily life.
Did you clean the windows? Did you clean the windows?
Yeah, I cleaned it properly. Yeah, I cleaned it properly.
What's your favorite type of music? What's your favorite type of music?
I love to listen rock music. I love to listen rock music.
Did you replace the batteries? Did you replace the batteries?
No, I haven't enough money. No, I haven't enough money.
How's your favorite project coming along? How's your favorite project coming along?
It's going well. It's going well.
Did you check the expiry date of the milk? Did you check the expiry date of the milk?
Yeah, it was expired. Yeah, it was expired.
What's your favorite board game? What's your favorite board game?
My favorite board game is Cram. My favorite board game is Cram.
Can you speak English? Can you speak English?
Yeah, but not fluently. Yeah, but not fluently.